Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is an app called Earn11 which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online through some tasks like installing apps, playing games and watching some ads and taking some surveys, etc. To get started, go to your Google Play Store and in the search bar search for Earn11 and install this app, and after installing tap on open, and here you have to register in this app through your Google account. And here, once you log into the Earn11, this type of dashboard will be shown. And to earn money, you have to tap on Play and Earn. And tap on Accept. And here you can see there is one offer game which you can play to earn money. To get further more details, you have to tap on More. And here you can see the descriptions of the game, and for rewards, if you reach level 20, then you can get 64 coins. And for the reward conditions, first one is your reward may be delayed up to 24 hours. That means if you didn't get your rewards instantly, you don't have to worry about that. And these games are only eligible or available for new users only. So I recommend to use new Gmail. And the most important one is that you have to download this game through the link in the offer. So to download this game by using link, then you have to tap on Play Now. And this will take you to the Google Play Store and you have to install this game. And after installing the game, you have to complete that offer. And here in the dashboard, you can see other earning options also. And here you can see PopScale, where you can download apps to earn money. And here in the top offer, you can sign up and earn money, and you can see some surveys also, and you can take some surveys also. And for the quick task, you can get some points by joining this app into the social media. And there are many other offers also. And for the passive income, you can invite your friends and families through your referral link. And once they join in this app, then you can get some referral bonus also. And you can get your referral link by tapping on copy, and you can share your referral link in the social media also. And to redeem your coins, you have to tap on this icon. And here you can see there are two withdrawal methods. One is PayPal and one is Binance. I recommend PayPal because in my perspective, PayPal is more convenient than Binance. So in PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $1 and the maximum is $20. Once you get enough coin, then you can redeem your coin into your PayPal account. So this is how you can earn money by playing games and having fun. So that's it. If you are interested, sign up for Earn11 today and start earning money online. And if you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and leave a like. And I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning!